Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your CRA PIN, national ID, and the registered phone or legacy email. Once you have them, open the KRA e-portal in a secure browser and clear cache if needed. Make sure to select the correct service, choose Forgot Email or the Update Contact workflow. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN and verify identity via SMS OTP. Do that now so the system can locate your account and allow the email recovery steps to proceed smoothly. Once done with the initial lookup, you verify identity by entering your KRA PIN, name, and date of birth exactly as on record. Small mismatches block progress. Next, request the OTP sent to the registered phone. Enter it promptly because the code times out. After OTP confirmation, input your new email address and confirm it a second time to avoid typos. Make sure to accept any verification prompts and choose whether to set the email as primary. This updates contact record. You finish by confirming the update and saving the confirmation number plus the timestamp. That evidence matters. Once saved, log out and then log back in, using your new email where required to verify portal access and email receipts. If the system rejects the change or you do not receive confirmation, pause and gather proof, PIN, confirmation number, time, and screenshots, and contact KRA support immediately for escalation. That troubleshooting step speeds resolution and prevents registration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.